Now let us say I want to display my selected courses in a separate table. Okay, so as soon as I select or unselect, that table should get updated. So it will come out of the reactive feature only. And so if I go back to the application form page, application form flow, here in this screen only, let's say I am creating one more data table. And this time the name of the data table is selected courses, and the label is also the same, selected courses. Let's make this as the label of the table, the source of the selection. Now this is important. This time what I want to display in this data table is basically the source, which is the selection in the first data table. So the name of the first data table is available courses, and if I go here and write available courses, it will allow me to go and make selected rows as a source collection for my second table. So I select it, and this is done. Okay, so the data source for my second table is basically the selections which are made in the very first table. I don't want to give the search bar here. Here I don't want any selections on any row level selection. I want to display it in the view only mode. Okay, and columns, I would like to keep it same, like the course name, and then comes course duration, then third one is the fees. Okay, and this one I can give the custom label course fee. Okay, and that's it, done. So saving my changes. Right now I have not connected these two. Let's keep it as it is and run. Student, I'll go straight away to the fourth window. So whatever I select, that all get displayed here, right? And if I unselect, then in that case the table will get auto updated, because the source is itself getting changed, and that's why the table rows are getting added or deleted. Okay, now when none of the value is selected, in that case the table is appearing, and I don't want this table to appear in that case when none of the value is selected. So what I can do, I can go back here, select this one, and set the visibility of the component, which is set to always. I can make it when custom logic is met, and the condition I can add here is that whenever in the available courses the first selected row, let's say ID, course ID, record ID is null, is false, only then it should appear. Okay, so that means whatever is the source table, that is this first one, if the first record has a course ID, if any one of the record is selected, only then this condition will get fulfilled. If none of the record is selected, then this condition won't get fulfilled, and I'm not expecting the second table to come. So let us save our changes and see if it will work for us or not. So I'm moving straight away to the fourth screen. This is the screen. Now so here you can see that the table is not available. Selected courses table is not available because none of the selection has been made. But the moment I do the selection, the table appears. Okay, and if I unselect all of these, then table will be gone. So what we have seen, it is basically the reactive property of the component, and it will work when you have reactive flag checked under process automation settings, which we saw before. Okay, now let us go back to our flow and learn a few more things.